is crowned with glory now. The Savior knelt to wash our feet. Now at his feet we bow. The one who wore sin and shame, now robed in majesty. The radiance of perfect love now shines forever.